now I did also Sirah score, which is a little bit more physical. I think it makes sense. It makes sense. There is something difficult, but I think I need to work on it to figure out. There's something difficult, like in the first two instructions, like on a boat, multi-directional wind. I end up in something where I'm doing which in a way I worked on before also, but this thing like doing different loops, so not treating the body as a whole, but somehow splitting it up or being busy. And this somehow works, and then for the equally timed sunset, it's fucking difficult because I have problems finding out where I place the suns and how I change my temperature and how. So, because there's something about change, like if I have to oscillate between one and the other, then I'm not staying in the loop. So I have to see how I do, but I think it's possible. It's interesting. It's a completely other way of dealing. The staircase is fine. The liquor store is weird, but also fine. I mean, there's this thing about narrative, no? Like, what kind of narratives or what kind of imaginations do we make inside of our heads? And of course, the audience don't know anything about this, but nevertheless, it produces something, I hope. I don't know. I'm buying liquor like hell. And maybe this will impress Mark, who the ever Mark is. I have no idea, but okay. No, so it's interesting, and it gets more active. I don't know. I think we can really work with these, and then I think we can also still ask questions to each other, and we can still make changes and corrections depending on how it feels to everyone. And but I feel like this starts to feel like a sequence that I can actually do, and once I know it by heart, so that I don't have to look or think about what I'm doing, then I think it's also possible to really dance it like one after the other, and it's interesting. So I suggest, of course, there's also the mitraillette, the gunshots, or I don't know if that is gunshots, but I assume so. It's a question of where are we then, but in a way, all the sounds have this. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we now? Where are we now? And why not? Yes, I think it's interesting. Okay, well, so tell me what you think, what you're doing, how it's going, what kind of associations you have. And let's continue. Very good. I talk to you later. Ciao.